welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video again. So if you remember a previous video that I've done, I unboxed this beauty. Oh my god, I love O.M.G dolls. Well, I got another one. What's her name called? So this one that I unboxed last time is called Out Girl, and then the one that I've got this time is Busy B.B. So sorry if you can hear noises in the background, because I'm just in my house with everyone because no one is going out. But I got another one. So I'm pretty sure I remember how to open these. So I think you just wait, let me take a look at the box. Start here. Comments ICI have begin. Okay, so I think we've got to pull this out. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so I just did something. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. So, I'm not too sure. I may need scissors. Oh god. Oh, that spoils it. Okay. I'm really not gonna... I don't want to show you the doll just yet. Oh my god, she comes with a bathing suit. Oh my god, I could take her in the bath. But I'm not gonna because I want to keep her hair amazingly nice. So basically, the doll is in here. So basically, I'm gonna unbox everything and I will see you in 2 ticks. Okay, so I'm nearly done. I got most of it out. I'm just going to get some scissors to get the doll out and then we can show you. Okay, I got my scissors. I'm gonna get the doll out and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, I just got the doll out. Now, I have this. Looks like that's her little sister. I don't have her, but still be fun to play with the other LOL dolls. So I'm gonna fix this, like put it back, her dressing room, in the box. And then we're going to look at all of the accessories. Starting with this magazine. So this was just a piece of paper that you had to fold in half. On the back it's got a barcode. And that's the front. Here is the inside. It says, things don't always go as planned, but trust that they will work out. A little quote, and then the doll, and then there's the back. So, very cute. Next, I'm going to put together the little seat. So, if you've never actually had one of these LOL doll things, so basically you take this piece and then you clip this piece into there. There is instructions, but I know how to put this together. Here's the instructions. Oh. There are the instructions. but I know how to put them together. So yeah, basically you just put this in there. It's a little stiff, but it does go in there, okay? Then next you're gonna take this piece and slide it on until there. And then you're gonna slide this piece on, and this piece holds your doll on. So I'm gonna demonstrate with my old doll because I don't want to give it away with a new one. So you just clip your doll in place, and then she stays. Well, if I actually did it properly, yeah, they stay. So yeah, I have the doll right there next to my other, but there's a blue seat. Last time I got a black one. But yeah, there's a cool seat. Ew. Ugh. Yeah, anyway. Here we have a yellow brush. It's plastic. Ow. Oh my god. Okay, so that's the brush. Really cool. Now, we're gonna look in this blue box. So it looks like this is a shoe box. It's plain on this side and it has a barcode, the size, and then the shoe. So we're gonna open it. Oh wow, this is so cool. It's like proper shoes. And here they are. They're so cool. There's another one. Oh, my dog is about to start barking out the back. Sorry if you can hear him. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those in there. And pop it back in. Then close it. So yeah, there's the shoes. Now I think this is the jewelry. Yeah, it is. Oh wow, that is so cool. So we've got these earrings. They're gold earrings. They're so pretty. We got a gold necklace. And then we got these really cool glasses. They're so cool. Okay. Put those back in here. And it's just a plain red thing with the logo on it. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it does have it. So does this. Has a logo, and this pretty much everything does. Now we're gonna move on to the blind bags. So we're gonna open this. See what's in here. Oh wow, that is really pretty actually. Wow, that is pretty. So we have this bag. You can put things in it, but it doesn't zip up. It looks like it does, but it doesn't. And then here is the thing. You can actually like arrange it because there's a little clasp. Well, you could, but it's really hard because it's so tiny. Oh wow, it's like a little proper zip. It even has details. Focus. But it has details. Ugh, it's not focusing. I don't know why, but it's really cool. It doesn't zip up though. That's a real bummer. Okay, but it's really cute. Next we have this. How did I open this last time? Oh, did I just do this? I must have. Yeah. Okay. Well, there's the little bag that it comes in. I might keep that actually. Oh, that is cute. Packaging. Oh my god, my dog is barking. Okay, there's nothing else in there. But it comes with this really, really nice denim jacket. With gold buttons. It's so pretty. It even has little pockets. But they're not real, I don't think. No, they're not. They're so pretty. I'll put it back on the hanger. Yeah, and it also comes with this hanger. So yeah. Keep that. And here is the proper outfit, I think. Oh my god. That is actually really pretty. Again, here's the bag. Packaging. Oh, wow. Okay, let me get this off the hanger. So it comes with a red hanger. And it's these really nice overalls. Little jumpsuit. Oh, wow, she has a key. And it actually fits in the back pocket. Look at this. It goes in the back pocket. That is adorable. And then on the front, it's denim. And it's navy blue. My favorite has got to be the key. Wow, that is so cool. Okay. Put this back on the hanger. And then we can finally move on to the doll. Okay, I have her sitting down and I'm going to take her out of her seat and show you guys. You ready? Here she is. Oh snap, she is gorgeous. Look at her hair. Her little puff there. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. She got her little red headband. And she's got like a bathing suit on. So yeah. She has some knickers down there. Oh my god, you guys did not see that. Oh wow. Well, she's added a second O.M.G doll to my collection, which is slowly growing. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please click like and subscribe. And comment down below if I should do more toy reviews like this one in the future. So yeah, hope you all are doing okay. Stay safe And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.